effective until midnight Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will and Winnebago, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock and Walworth, and Clinton, Iowa. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
You're not gonna get it. It's Baraboo.
I'm just recording the live stream just for the heck of it.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Grant County in southwestern Wisconsin, southern Richland County in southwestern Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located 7 miles west of Muskota, or 13 miles southwest of Richland Center, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Muskota around 7:10 p.m.
Another tornado warning. It's gonna be a double header.
Westport, Excelsior, Lone Rock, Orion, and Blue River. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Awesome.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 7:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Muskota, or 11 miles southwest of Richland Center, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flood will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Spring Green around 7:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm included Orion, Plain, Avica, and Arena. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Vernon County in southwestern Wisconsin, Richland County in southwestern Wisconsin, until 8 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near West Beach to 7 miles southwest of Richland Center, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Richland Center around 7:05 p.m. Lafarge around 7:15 p.m. Hillsborough around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Germantown, Lone Rock, Rockbridge, Viola, and Attica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin.
My son loves her deeply and thinks of her often and told me that he has no
marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:30 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 53 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to 65 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor to 86 nautical miles southwest of Kenosha, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight for northeastern Illinois.
Oh my god. I'm ready. There we go.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service.
Only 2 radios went off this time, guys. Again.
Special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 10:30 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 38 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to 53 nautical miles southwest of Winthrop Harbor to 72 nautical miles west of Montrose Harbor, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Got it! I'm on the edge of it.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, western Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north central Illinois, DeKalb County in north central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, western DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, eastern Boone County in north central Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Capron to near Kirkland to 8 miles east of Amboy, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Schaumburg, Hoffman Estates, Carroll Stream, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Oswego, Algonquin, West Chicago, McHenry, Batavia, Woodstock, Geneva, Grays Lake, Lake Zurich, Round Lake, Sycamore, and Yorkville. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 72 and 78. Interstate 88 between mile markers 87 and 125. Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 50. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Eastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 10 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Delavan, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, Sturtevant, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, East Troy, Paddock Lake, Williams Bay, Camp Lake, Wind Lake, Rochester, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Richmond, Wind Point, and Fontana.
Country. Here's the enemy at your mercy.
Festival should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
S for me.
Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elgin to near Montgomery to Sheridan, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, and Elmhurst. The guaranteed rate field should seek safe shelter, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 236 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 336 and 357. Interstate 80 between mile markers 111 and 155. Interstate 88 between mile markers 123 and 140. Interstate 94 between mile markers 37 and 62. Interstate 290 between mile markers 2 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 37 and 62. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 30. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage.
Catching the alert.
In close to the watch area. While
Expansion SVA.
persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
The only radio that activated was the 300. The other ones don't activate for extensions.
Sources for the latest severe weather information. Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11:30 p.m. At 10:26 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 24 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 15 nautical miles east of Montrose Harbor to 22 nautical miles west of Michigan City, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Winds may precede the arrival of precipitation by several minutes. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.